You won't believe this. Are you ready for some miracle money? Here are 12 astonishing signs that money is coming to you fast. Prepare to manifest money. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today I'm sharing with you 12 astonishing signs that miracle money is coming your way. Miracle money, that means money you don't expect, money you haven't counted on, money that you don't even know where it's coming from. Now, earlier today, I got a text from one of my clients and he said, Robert, you're not going to believe this. I just got $10,800 from a source that I had no idea that money was coming from this source. I had no idea. That's what I'm talking about. Miracle money. I'm talking about your debt being completely paid off. I'm talking about money ending up in your bank account that's yours, that's rightfully yours, that you deserve. I'm talking about somebody giving you money or paying back a loan or something like that, but it's miracle money coming into your life. If you have any one of these 12 signs, you have miracle money coming into your life. Are you anticipating money? Sign number 1. If you are looking for money, if you are expecting money, if you are anticipating money, then money must come to you. It's incredible. So join me right now. Say, I am anticipating large sums of money. That alone will put everything in alignment and balance to attract some of this miracle money into your life. Number 2, you love the vibration of money. I mean, you might have been raised with the idea that money was evil or that rich people were all bad. They're all crooks. They all belong in jail. We need to take away all their money. You may have had that viewpoint at one time, but right now, oh yeah, you love the vibration of money. You get excited thinking about money. High flyers, sign number 3 is you're hungry. I mean, you are hungry for more money in your life. You sit up at night and you think, how can I attract more money in my life? How can I have a better lifestyle, a bigger home, a bigger car? And when you have that hunger, when you have that burning desire in you, and it's burning all the time, that's a wonderful sign that unexpected miracle wealth is coming into your life. Sign number 4, you think and you dream about money. You think about it throughout the day. You don't think about what you don't have, by the way. That's a negative. We never think about what we don't have. You are thinking about attracting more money. And then you go to bed at night and you dream of money. I had a dream once. This is a crazy dream. I had a dream that I was sleeping. So it was one of those dreams where you kind of know that you're dreaming. And I dreamt that my pillow was filled with money, stacks and stacks and stacks of money. I came up with one idea about a week or so later, and that one idea made me a pile of money. So the dream was symbolic of my mind resting on money. So if you're dreaming about money, you are attracting money. Miracle money is coming your way. High flyers, sign number 5 is you love paying it forward. You love pulling out your wallet and saying, hey, I'm going to pull out my wallet. I'm going to help somebody out. Who can I help out today? And you help someone out. And today, for example, I have someone that needs help. Happens to be a relative. I never loan money to relatives. I give them money if they need it, but I never loan it because I don't want them to feel bad if they can't pay it back right away. I don't want them to stay away from me because they feel uncomfortable. So I say, here's a gift, pay it forward. When you get money, when money starts flowing into your life, you help someone else. Paying it forward. If you love to pay it forward, you love the vibration of money. Money is flowing into your life. Sign number 6, attracting opportunities everywhere you look. Opportunities everywhere. It's exciting. I love opportunities. You see, every opportunity is the chance to unlock a treasure chest full of money. People say there are bad opportunities and good opportunities, and that's true. But most opportunities are good. It's what you do with them. Most people don't act on their opportunities, and so they don't take advantage of them. I know my father used to kick himself all the time. He had a chance to be a part of the pizza parlor many, many years ago when I was a little guy, and he didn't do it. He chose not to do it, and it became a multi-million-dollar business. That was an opportunity. You don't want those opportunities to pass you by, high flyers. Sign number 7, you see ladders. I mean, ladders everywhere. 1111 777 888. Got to tell you a story. The guy that got the $10,800, I was talking with him on the phone as we were driving, and we were pulling into a parking lot. And he was telling me that he has seen over 60 ladders a week, and that money has just been flowing to him like crazy. And I said, Mike, wow, as I am talking to you, I see a truck with 2 ladders on it right now. It's just that amazing. That's how the universe communicates. That's how it works, high flyers. That's the power of the law of attraction. High flyers, if any of these signs resonate with you, give us a thumbs up. And by the way, subscribe and click the bell icon. Number 8, you're focused on what you desire, what you want, not what you don't have. You see, that's the problem. Too many people focus on what they don't have. I don't have transportation. I don't have money for that. I never say I don't have money for that. I never say that. I never say I don't have this or I don't have that, because that's focusing on a negative, and that's what you begin to attract. Focus on the positive. Focus on what you desire. If you find yourself focusing on what you desire and not focusing anymore on what you don't have, that's an incredible sign, an inner sign, an energetic sign that money, miracle money, is coming your way. Well, number 9 is one of my favorites. I love this. It works. I don't know how it works. I have no idea. But sometimes I will be walking around the house, or I'll get into the car and I'll say to Rachel, I'll say, do you smell that? No, I smell something very sweet. I can't describe it. It smells like sweet berries or sweet roses with berries kind of mixture. It smells like amber. She'll say, really? That's a sign that money is coming your way. Trust me. I don't know. I don't think it's with the nose. I think if that sign is reaching you, it's the universe working through your energy field. In other words, I don't really think that you're smelling it with your nose, because I've had that sign several times in my life and people around me can't smell it. But I smell it, and guess what? Money ends up in my wallet. I love it. Hey, this is a big one, and I don't get this sign much anymore. But I used to get it all the time. My palm would start itching. I go, what the heck? My hands are itching. What the heck is this? And that was a huge sign that a deal was going to come through, or that a client was going to call me with a business deal, or something was going to happen. I used to get that a lot when I was in marketing and advertising. And I don't get that much anymore. But if you do, that's a huge sign that miracle money is coming your way. Well, high flyers, I want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. We've helped people in 60 different countries make a pile of money, become millionaires, become wealthy, and of course, save their relationship, build better marriages, build a better life. We can help you. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com, and always leave your phone number. Number 11, you find money all the time. You're finding money you didn't expect. $5 in your pocket that wasn't there earlier. Change, all kinds of stuff. Money all the time. One time I was out running, just jogging. I saw a dollar bill. So I just picked it up, put it in my pocket, ran home, and when I got home, I got out of my sweat clothes, pulled out that dollar bill, and it was $100 bill. Now the good news is that was a sign that more money was coming my way. Somebody bought me a brand new car many years ago, but they bought me a brand new car. It was incredible. It's a story. It's a separate video altogether. Number 12, you are accepting growing responsibilities. Maybe you have a growing family. Maybe you have a growing business, but you're accepting greater responsibilities in your life. And these responsibilities are essential because they put a base under you, a reason why you desire to have more money in your life. That desire is enough to excite more miracle money. Money from unexpected sources flowing in your life. So if any one of these 12 signs resonates with you, give us a thumbs up, and remember, high flyers, keep soaring like a beautiful eagle. Good things are coming your way.